Apex News, India, Northeast.
Kublai Piboro, Kanegade Apex News India, Kikubor Puli, Piba Kodor Marbo. Tinya Pasha Shakimat Kibakongsan. Kubor kibabnya. Menteri Rang Badu Kari Narendra Modi hakasni thoding ula ai khublei tipai ba haka Meghalaya hakasni rakhe ya ka 54 state huddi da ka bapen pau ya ka jingno senyang ka bakrau jong ka jela shakaroi ka par jong ka chat penril haka khubor balasam haka social media platform X Menteri Rang Badu Kari ula yero ya ka riti distro barius pa jong ka Meghalaya bat ka jing itna jong ki Mariam kadba ulapan pau ya ka jingkerman kadba ulapan pau ya ka jingkerman bahkan dang yai beteng pan kiyo syaprang Menteri Rang Ba ulaong baki ba ka jela Meghalaya kiladon ha ka benta ka bakongsan ka batay ya ka jaj benrio bat ka ba pen pau ya ki jing sngo scam ba ka jela kan dang yai beteng ban yo ya ki mau jam bathamai ni ki jing kiyo jong ka roi ka par ha kis number 1.
Ask me, what do you think is your biggest achievement in the last 8 years? So I tell people that for me, the biggest achievement is to see a person smile. If I can make a person smile, I feel that I have achieved what I wanted to achieve. And I think this is where sometimes governance and development, bureaucracy, administration, schemes, plans, foundations, sometimes goes wrong. So I hope that as we move ahead, that we will recommit ourselves to ensuring that we can bring a smile to a person's face. And I think that should be what our target should always be. And I'll tell you, that is most probably the best secret or the best way to ensure that you never get tired. Because you'll be working every day, and every time you see a person, because you want to make the person smile, you won't get tired, you won't get angry, and you will do your best to help. So many people ask me, CM, why are you doing the CM Connect? The CM Connect program is not good. It'll backfire on you. I got this in the beginning. So I thought to myself, maybe yes, I have to rethink. But then when I was on my own, traveling in the car, I was thinking, why those people were saying that? And they were saying it because we can't solve every problem. It's true. We can't. Problems will always be there. People will demand many things, and we won't be able to solve them, and people will get angry. But there is a small difference in the thought process, which I must say right now, is that when I look at a problem, and before even figuring out what to do, if I've already decided in my mind that it can't be done, then I think we are already failed. And yes, we won't be able to do anything. I have always believed it is important to try. It is important to make the person in front of you feel that you have tried. And I can tell you that a person who's standing in front of you will be happier after seeing that you tried and you tried and you tried and you failed. But at least you tried. And you did not just simply not do the thing because you thought it couldn't be done. I hope that this Meghalaya Day will remind each and every one of us. We'll put a simple thought in all our minds. I'm not talking only for government. I'm talking for citizens. I'm talking to teachers. I'm talking to doctors. I'm talking to religious leaders. I'm talking to the youth. Every citizen should work towards ensuring that we can bring a smile to another person's face at whatever capacity. And even if we feel that it cannot be done, we should never say no without trying. Please don't say no without trying. That is, I think, the biggest mistake we make. And that's where confidence of the person in front goes down. Oh, he just read the paper and said it can't be done. So I hope that we will be able to move in that direction in the days to come. Friends, my cabinet colleagues have spoken about so many development works that have been going on. I don't want to get into all of that. So I think it's not a day to share numbers with you.
Kashilong Cantonment Board, Kalale da Kabating Yakikam Shna Ying Bian, Hakitan Cantonment. Da Kababu, Yakarukam Trekam, Zero Tolerant. Kabut, Kalapan mi, Yakajing Penpana, Banweng Nomar Dor Halor Kajing Penlang Bian, Yaki Marsh Na Ying, but Kajing Te Yaki Jing Yang Jing Yat Padba, Habun Kalao number 29, service number 34. Yakani Kajing Penpana, Lapan mi, da Uhe Officer, Chief Executive Officer, IDES, Ayush Moria, Shaki Class Balabu Kerteng, Shantosh Devi Jionka, SK Om Prakash Jionka, But Kamal Jionka. Katkum Kajing Ong Jong Kabot, Labret Ekitiar Shnaying, Clem Jingbet, Ban Shnabiang, Yakaway Kajing Te, Kabasha Penjulor, Yakajing Plu, Haka Kanril Tarik Ukalalin Kot Ahaja Arpunril, Clem Kajing Manjur, Nakabor, Baday Pet. Kabot Kalapan Paru, Yakijing E Hakabayade, But Kajing Shngan, Halor Kikatu Katni, Kiying Ting, Kiba Clem I Jingbet, But Kiba Lajat Rathai, Hajan ka RCC Block 1, But Block 2. Da kababatha banweng no yaki hapo kalai post mi. Umintri rangba kajala ukongrat sangma hakasni thoding ulapli yaka school counter insurance anti-terrorist but yaka integrated police welfare complex Habak Mara South Garo Hills. Yaka ni gajing yalang lawan benta da usimbut mentri rangba Preston Tengsong umintri puli puthi ula kamen rembui u DGPI Nongrang but Chief Secretary Dr. Shakil Ahmed Ihe Sarkar but Kiwe Part Kiriyo Rangba Bakra Umintri Rangba Ula Ai Kublay Yakatanat Kampo Ying but Yakatanat Pulit Banyaro Yaki Inspector General of Police U DNR Mara Halor ka Jingya Ijngai but ka Jingshim Kia Jong Ulapan Pau baka jaka jong kani kathan kalong kababiyang baha nakabenta ki jinghikai ki bakham halor banyakun persya yaki leno Kiban ay jing mentoy om tang yaki pulit Meghalaya Henry wat yaki por paharat jongkari bat kapel thai
Best one was at that side of the country. You come to the office at either end. First one of the
Umintri rangba kajla ukongrat sangma Ulapan benaru yaki katu kat nigi jing temu penroy bakongsan na kabenta ka South Garo Hills. Kabapin skambiang yaka jing angno jong ka sorkar ban kentiu ya bero. Ulapan bena yaka jing menjur jong ka chispa sao pokro na kabenta ka phase 2 jong ka project sam habak mara kabala menjur dakatanat donor. Umentri rang ba ulapan tip shushu baka project surag daru gre bak mara dalu kabasyong dor 1,000 klur kaladon haka jing menjur kabak hadu bat ya ka jing penyo jaka ladap pendablut.
Things get repaired and then as I said, get additional manpower to clean it up. You can do it on casual basis, man. You can take up in casual basis. What is there? You get MHIS money is there. You use it for getting manpower.
Sir, inside so they have repaired, but then when they started digging up the land, बस 1-2 फीट के बाद पूरा पानी आ रहा है सेप्टिक टैंक वो इशू था इसीलिए सर ये पूरा
ओके
इसलिए सर ये पूरा कॉन्सेप्ट किया गया कि नया टेक्नोलॉजी पे तो सेप्टिक टैंक का मैनेजमेंट
ये क्या काम कर रहे कि नहीं कर रहे नॉट वर्किंग एनीमोर तो देन लेट इट गो गेट अ न्यू वन Okay, sir. Get one thing. Take one empty. But manpower you have to have. Local also. Like support. Look. ये patient होगा patient पता चलो. ले गाड़ी को. ले गाड़ी को. Wait. Let the ambulance go. There's a patient in the ambulance.
Uhe nong yalam ka Meghalaya Congress Manuel Badwa ulakar part ka sarkar pedeng bakan shimkhia yaki jing khayi bat ka jingkit dewyong bian haka jilla habaya day bat ka jingja ha East Janta Hills ulakan no baka jingti dewyong bian kawanra yaka jing julor ka bajur haka yo ka kwan bat uladawa yaka jingkit kli na ka sarkar jilla.
Okay, with the entire illegality of this function, and they are making merry, which means that they are doing this purposely. They are ensuring that they are plundering the state, especially from the revenue that is deserving to go to the government, which directly goes to the public at large, right? So the government is the government. When I say the government, I mean the public, yeah, is not getting any revenue out of this coal mining, except a few men who are a part and parcel of this entire mafia that has been operating, and it's an open secret, yeah. So what they are actually doing is basically they plundering the state. They are killing the future generation. They are ensuring that they are extracting not just the minerals from the land, but they are also ensuring that the money is flowing only to their pockets, but not to the public at large. And I think general public should come to this understanding that this government, right from day one, has continued to plunder this, to ensure that they're making merry for a few people who they want to make happy, to make them happy. And in the long run, what is happening is that you would also notice that even in our budget, right, that the state's revenue itself is very, very weak. So our revenue collection from the state, which is supposed to be much, much higher, it hardly even touches 4,000 crores. Whereas our budget, from an estimation point of view, just from a spending point of view, is touching 27,000 crores every year. And so obviously we are dependent on grants and so on and so forth, which means that the government does not take any consideration, does not even bother whether our revenue increases or not. They are more concerned about filling their own pockets and the people in power, basically. And I think this is extremely, extremely bad for the state, and it also sets very bad precedents because the corruption is massive. And I believe that the government, I don't know when will this government ever wake up, when will this government ever have a moral standard which is important for them to understand that the future of the state is also dependent on whatever governments is ruling the land. So there's no morality whatsoever. They just want to extract and extract and extract, and that is where I believe that it is becoming weaker by the day. Then the democratic process itself becomes extremely weak because they will fill up their own coffers, their own pockets, and then when the election time comes, they will spend a little bit of that money to buy votes, and it just it basically we are not progressing at all. It becomes very regressive in the way everything is going on, and I hope the public at large, especially in places where the rural belt, which still has a lack of understanding. The urban centers, I believe many people have understood, but I have this firm belief that we have to start communicating, teaching, and making people understand that the kind of illegality that is going, especially in one of the biggest revenue item of the state, and the kind of which is supposed to be the biggest revenue item of the state, but then the thing is that the kind of illegalities and the kind of money that is being taken away from there for their own pockets, which they will use, of course, in the elections in the times to come, is something that I think most of the public at large, especially rural belt, should be very well aware. And I hope that they will not be able to change the procedure, and I hope that people will answer at large, give them a befitting answer in the next term or so. And I believe that the state, with this kind of function that is being done by the present government especially, and I believe that this is extremely bad, and I will condemn this, and I will continue to condemn, because every now and then examples we keep on seeing the what should I call, the symptoms or the of this corrupt nature keeps on appearing, right? And we keep on seeing it, so you cannot keep on hiding it. It's just being oblivion. Sometimes it's beyond my understanding. It's beyond what this government is trying to do. We don't understand anymore, so I think we should condemn that.
Hashwa ka election bat ka jing thap vote ka balabu banlong ha Bangladesh ha ka khat artrik February ka India ka lakhat biang ya ki bahayeng hasam bat ki nong shong shnong jong ki nong mi khmat da ka bakdo ya ki jing ha ka liang ka jing shngai ki he sarkar kila panchai baka Indian High Commission ha Dhaka kadang beteng bantrik kam kumba julong u ambassador ka China u yawen ulali jingo ya ki jaka bala shakta ha ka jing tua khando harut kawa testa harangpur Bangladesh yagani ka jingle jingo lashim bakalong ka bakongsan namar bakani ka than ka don hajan ka surak Siliguri ha ka bakongsan jong ka India kabala tebru kum ka chicken neck Hakishwar district jong ka Jammu bat Kashmir ki bor pahara kilapin pra ya kawai ka bankar jong ka JC Muhammad kabala Kirkut bat ka badon ha ka jingjong ka ba khat ar hajar put usai fula unong yalam shipay jong ka Pakistan bad u adil ulay tre lang bad u kilari hakate ka banker hakate ka jingkhanra kile no kila kawang grenade hakaba nriungut ki bor pahara kila mansaw u havildar ka Jindra Singh ula khlat no namar ka jing mansaw bad ula sha penyap matri sawngut kinong shong shnong kila kem namar balakan no makila ay jingerap ne kirshan ya kile no
जैसे हमारे यहाँ की
Kajing yakanat hakasan perthai kala nangjur ha Murshidabad West Bengal hadin kajing kano wala penmi ya kajing berngam da UMLA ka Trinamool Congress Munirul Islam hadin kajing yakanat pajba haka Faraka Electoral Registration Office hadu ars pangut ki booth level officer kila eno yakakam dakaba kentho bakadon kajing hakakam bat kajing hakalyang kajing shngan
তুমি আকাশে আছো পাতাল থেকে ছেঁচড়ে বের করব পাতাল থেকে বের করব আর আইন কার জন্য মানুষের জন্যই তুমি নিজেই জানো না কখন কি বলছো তাই একটা একটা করে আমাদের সংবিধানের উপরে আমাদের সুপ্রিম কোর্টের উপরে আমাদের আস্থা রাখতে হবে একটার পর একটা গালে থাপ্পড় পড়ছে বিজেপিকে খুশি করতে গিয়ে আজকে বাংলার 12 কোটি মানুষকে হেনস্থা করছে তাই এই নির্বাচন কমিশনের এখান থেকে আমি বলতে চাই ওনাকে পদত্যাগ করা উচিত ভার হয়ে গেছে গাদ্দার হয়ে গেছে বেইমান অযোগ্য লোক তাই সামনে দিনে আপনারা প্রস্তুত থাকুন নিজে বাঁচার জন্য এবং আগামী প্রজন্মকে বাঁচাবার জন্য যাই হোক বলার অনেক কিছু ছিল আমি শুধু ইশারায় বলবো 19 তারিখে ফাইনাল লিস্ট বের হবে তখন কিন্তু যদি সব ঠিকঠাক হয় আর নচেত দেখবেন চারদিকে আগুনে আগুন জ্বলছে কিচ্ছু করার নেই এই ধুপ ধুপ করে মরার চাইতে লড়াই করা মরা আমি মনে করি জীবনের সার্থক তাই আসুন আমাদের বাংলার সম্প্রীতি ঐক্য সৌহার্দ্য ভালোবাসাকে টিকিয়ে রাখার জন্য মমতা ব্যানার্জির হাতকে শক্ত করতে হবে এবং ফারাক্কার উন্নয়নকে ত্বরান্বিত করার জন্য মজবুত করার জন্য আমাদের মধ্যে যেন কোনো রকমের ভেদাভেদ না থাকে আমাদের মধ্যে যেরকম
Hashwa kajinglen jong Rahul Gandhi labo ya ki banner hakaleng karebarili da kabapen ya Rahul Gandhi badya uhe ka Samajwadi Party u Akhilesh Yadav kum unong yalam jong ka India bloc
27 में और 29 में इंडिया टीम के कप्तान माननीय अखिलेश यादव और राहुल गांधी जी को बताया गया। सच्चाई यही है कि उत्तर प्रदेश में हम समाजवादी पार्टी की सरकार बनाएंगे सन 2027 में और उत्तर प्रदेश से ही देश की राजनीति तय करेंगे। इसीलिए इंडिया गठबंधन के हम दोनों लोगों को हमारे सुचिंतक द्वारा लगाया गया। इसके लिए मैं बधाई के पात्र हूँ, बधाई देता हूँ कि ऐसी सोच ऐसी क्योंकि देश की अगर राजनीति में कोई परिवर्तन कर सकता है तो यही दो नेता कर सकते हैं।
Badagi tu ikubor nila po isyo kabakut tahadu bingide siyambiyang kublay shibun.
Apex News, India, Northeast.